So today we will explain the experiment how to measure the inductance of given coil or say choke. In order to measure that inductance of the given choke coil, we are using 3 voltmeter method. Here is the circuit. So this is the supply and we have the 3 voltmeter connected across the resistance, and this is the choke coil. This is the choke coil. So choke coil is having a small internal resistance and the inductance. So first we have to go with the circuit. This is simple series connection. We have to give it from supply to the one end of the resistance. Then other end of the resistance is connected to the choke coil. So other end of the choke coil is directly connected to the neutral. So this completes simple circuit. So once you are connecting the circuit, then we have to switch on the supply and we have to take the reading all the 3 voltmeters, one across the supply, one across the resistance and one across the inductance.
Start.
We will connect the circuit now according to the circuit diagram. So first we have to connect it to the phase to the resistance. Then from the resistance we are going to connect other end of the resistance to the choke coil. Then other end of the choke coil directly we are going to give it to the supply. So this is simple series connection of RL. Now we are going to connect the voltmeter. One is across the supply. See now, first terminal of the voltmeter we are connecting across the supply. Then second we are going to connect across the resistance. Then last one across the choke coil. Care should be taken that before connection the supply switch be in the off condition, then you have to connect the circuit. Once the connection is over, now we are going to switch on the circuit and we are going to take the reading. So here the voltmeter, that is supply voltage, read 234.1. Then drop across the resistance is taken as 141.6. Then drop across the choke coil is taken as 140.6. Similarly, the resistance will be taken in the cut-in position. Then we have to note down the value of resistance, that is 460 ohm. So once you take the value of all the readings and voltmeter, you have to write the tabular column. So now here the current you should calculate, which is an unknown quantity. Then we have taken the supply voltage as 230. Then drop across the resistance is 140. Then drop across the choke coil is 140. Then you have to calculate the value of XL and XL and L. So in order to do the calculation, so you have to use the formula, that is Vs square equals to V square R, then VL square, then 2 VL VR into cos pi. Using this formula, first we will calculate the value of cos pi. Once we will get the value of cos pi, we are using to calculate the current in the circuit. So by using the value of VR, so that comes to work out to be some particular ampere based on your reading. Similarly, you have to calculate the value of Z. Then once you know the value of Z, you calculate the value of internal resistance of the choke coil as well as inductance of the choke coil. So this is how you have to follow the steps.